has completed her MA degree and BEd degree with she possesses 3 years of teaching experience in kindergarten. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a great round of applause for the UKG A graduates. Look at their proud faces. See how happy they are. The proud graduation march is here. Here comes our UKG A graduates, led by their class teacher, Ms. Shalini Patel. Ms. Shalini Patel has completed her MA degree and BEd degree with she possesses 3 years of teaching experience in kindergarten. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a great round of applause for UKG A graduates. Look at their proud faces. See how happy they are. The proud graduation march is here. Our UKG A graduates. The proud graduation march is here. Look at their happy and proud faces. They definitely deserve a great round of applause. Our next leader for our wow. The proud array of students, the graduates. Our UKG A graduates. The proud graduation march is here. Look at their happy and proud faces. They definitely deserve a great round of applause. நம்ம செக்ஷன் இல்லைனாலும் பரவாயில்ல, கிளாப் பண்ணாங்க கொடுத்தீங்க. Wow. The proud array of students, the graduates. I request our beloved principal ma'am to felicitate our radiant Ritwik to receive the honor from the honorary. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause. Our radiant Ritwik, talented Tiyashini. Put your hands together for our talented Tiyashni to receive the honor from the honorary. Stage la poi nikkunumnale kai oduronga anga paarenga inga paarenga. Excellent. அந்த கஷ்டம் எனக்கு தெரியும் எப்படி ஓடுறோம்னு. Put your hands together for our Tiyashni, talented Tiyashni. Next on stage is
அந்த 3 balloon மட்டும்
going to be our scintillating Swasanya. Next on stage is going to be our scintillating Swasanya to receive the honor from the honorary. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Swasanya. We call her Swasi. Put your hands together. She is receiving the honor from the honorary. Next on stage is going to be our Savant Sai Joshita.
இறங்கிறேன்.
Savant Sai Joshita marching towards the honorary to get her honors. our vibrant Varsha. Here comes our vibrant Varsha to receive her honor from the honoraries. Our vibrant Varsha. Sattami Kingla parents, come on parents. Next on stage will be our thoughtful Tanushka. Thoughtful Tanushka to receive her honor from the honorary. See the proud march of our little cuties. It shows the hard work of the teacher, isn't it? Put your hands together for Shalini ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Look at the proud faces of the graduates. Next on stage is going to be our mesmerizing Mitra. Our mesmerizing Mitra receiving her honors. Put your hands together for Mitra. Energy for the parents. Next on stage is going to be our noble Naushri, who is going to do her march for receiving her honor from the honorary. Our noble Naushri is here. Put your hands together for Naushri. Can I have it for Naushri, please?
apa yang kemarin ya?
Naushri, thank you. Next on stage is going to be our ravishing Ritanya. The smiling face. Ravishing Ritanya of UKGA receiving her honor from the honorary. The smiling face of UKGA. Ritanya. Ravishing Ritanya. Next on stage is going to be our Yanning Yalinian. Our Yanning Yalinian to receive his honor from the honorary. Wow! Yalinian. Can I hear it for Yalinian, please? Thank you. Next on stage is going to be our harmonious Harishwaran. Can I have it for harmonious Harishwaran, please? Harishwaran is here to receive his honor from the honorary. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Harishwaran. Each graduate has put so much of hard work to receive the graduation today. So they definitely deserve a big round of applause. Next on stage is going to be our Smart Sarvesh. Here comes our Smart Sarvesh to receive his honor from the honorary. They are twins, so it is being played because of that. They are twins, Sarvesh and Srivatsan.
எட்டும் வரையில் எங்கும் நீ நாம் பற்றி படரி தோளை நிமித்து தீர தீர
Put your hands together for Sarvesh. Here comes his twin. Next is going to be his twin, soft-spoken Srivatsan. Here comes our soft-spoken Srivatsan.
உயிரே இதோ நீ நாம் பக்கம் இருந்தும் தூரம்
Put your hands together for Srivatsan.
எட்டும் வரையில் எங்கும் நீ நாம் பற்றி படரி தோளை நிமித்து தீர 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 தீர.
Next on stage is going to be our dazzling Tarunika.
கொஞ்சம் இப்படி வந்துடும்
Our dazzling Tarunika on stage to receive the honors.
கொஞ்சம் நல்லா வந்துடும் கொஞ்சம் லெஃப்ட்ல வந்து
She is the Laddu of UPDA. I always call her Laddu. Dazzling Tarunika of UPDA receiving her honor from the honorary. Next on stage is going to be our significant Srijit. Significant Srijit to receive his honor from the honorary. Look at his proud march. என்ன கெத்தா நடந்து வராரு பாருங்க நம்ம ஸ்ரீஜித். Next on stage is going to be our kinetic Kadir. Our kinetic Kadir marching towards the honorary to receive. Next on stage is our kinetic Kadir receiving his honor. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Kadir, please. Our kinetic Kadir is receiving his honorary. Next on stage is going to be our virtuous Vedavarshini. Our virtuous Vedavarshini marching towards the honorary to receive her honor. It is indeed a great pleasure for each one of you to witness this proud moment. Let's make some noise. Virtuous Vedavarshini is receiving her honor. Next on stage is going to be our affable Ashwant. Next on stage is going to be our dearly Divyashri. The soft girl of UCBA, dearly Divyashri is here. She is coming here to receive the honor from the honorary person. Put your hands together for Divyashri, please. Here on stage is our tactful Tarush. Here comes our tactful Tarush. Our tactful Tarush is receiving his honors. சத்த போறல parents நிறைய energy வேணும். Thank you parents. Here comes our nifty Naresh. Here comes our nifty Naresh to receive his graduation from our principal ma'am. Put your hands together for Naresh. Next on stage is going to be our memorable Mirnarini. Put your hands together for our Mirna. Our memorable Mirnarini to receive her honor from the honorary herself. Here comes our kind Kanishka. Next on stage is going to be our kind Kanishka. Here she comes. Put your hands together for Kanishka. Put your hands together for Kanishka. Next on stage is going to be our nascent Naushida Tasib. Here comes our Naushi. Put your hands together for Naushi, please. Our nascent Naushida Tasib. She is receiving her honor from the honorary. Excellent. Next on stage is going to be our ambitious Ara. Here comes our ambitious Ara. Ladies and gentlemen, can you have your round of applause for Ara? Last but not the least, here comes our sparkling Shakti Sahana of UKG A. Sparkling Shakti Sahana to receive her honor from the honorary. I request the UKG B teacher to be ready.
To my parents, teachers, and elders, I promise to be helpful. I shall obey the rule in my class and in our school. I will give my best in whatever I do. Alright, children, so let's have a group photo now.
I call upon the dignitaries to kindly come forward for the group photo session.
हाँ
I
ओके सर
request all the dignitaries to please come forward for the group photo session. Thank you.
இதே போர்ஷன் எடுக்க சொல்லாமா ஏதாவது சர்டிஃபிகேட் இல்லை எதுவுமே இல்லை சரி ஓகே
Ms. Sona has completed her BSc degree in computer science and she has pursued her diploma in Montessori. She possesses 3 years of teaching experience in kindergarten. She is known for her wit, funny way of talking and being playful with the children. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give a big round of applause for our UKGP graduates. Yes.
Ms. Sona has completed her BSc degree in computer science and she has pursued her diploma in Montessori. She possesses 3 years of teaching experience in kindergarten. She is known for her wit, funny way of talking and being playful with the children. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give a big round of applause for our UKGP graduates. Yes, look at the proud marks, proud faces. The most awaited moment of the day. Each one of you would have waited for this moment. As a parent, I know how proud you all will be and how emotional you all will be. It is indeed a proud moment for each one of us. Ladies and gentlemen, look at the happy faces of the children. The walk not only shows their proud faces, it denotes their gratitude the children are expressing to their parents and teachers. So ladies and gentlemen, let us have hear it from UKGP graduates. Once again.
Look at the proud march, proud faces. The most awaited moment of the day. Each one of you would have waited for this moment. As a parent, I know how proud you all will be and how emotional you all will be. It is indeed a proud moment for each one of us. Ladies and gentlemen, look at the happy faces of the children. கிளப்பி ரெடி பண்ணி கூட்டிட்டு வரதுக்கே நாக்கு தள்ளுது. நாங்க 30 பசங்களை ரெடி பண்றோம். Obviously it will take time, but that is a really very good thing, you know. நாங்க ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியா தான் அதை பண்றோம். Ritika Sudesh. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Ritika Sudesh. Put your hands together for Ritika. Can we have it for Ritika, please?
Hey!
Thank you. She's receiving her honors. Thank you. Next on stage is going to be our affectionate Aditya Varman. Here comes our affectionate Aditya Varman. Aditya Varman is receiving his honors from the honorary. Put your hands together for Aditya Varman. I request all the parents to please wait for the new person. உங்க பசங்க எங்கேயும் போக மாட்டாங்க, பத்திரமா எங்க கூட தான் இருக்காங்க. ப்ளீஸ். Thank you. Yes, next on stage is going to be our amusing Aditi Tilagam. Put your hands together for our amusing Aditi Tilagam. Nivi. Here comes our lovable Lokshana. We always call her White Lady. Look at her eyes. How beautiful she is. You can never see her without that smile. The smile of Lokshana. Put your hands together for Lokshana. She is receiving the honor from the honorary.
என் சின்னல் வந்த காற்றே ஒரு தேநீர் போட்டு தரவா உன் வீட்டில் வந்த தங்க பெண் தோழியை நானும் வரவா என் வாசல் கோலம் பார்த்து ஒரு கவிதை சொல்லும் காலம்
Next on stage is going to be our kinetic Kavan Velraj. அவர் ஸ்மைல்லையே மயக்கிடுவாருங்க எல்லாரையும் நம்ம கவன். Here comes our kinetic Kavan Velraj. Kavan is receiving his honor from the honorary. It is indeed a proud moment. நம்ம யோகா பண்றாரு பாருங்க. Next on stage is going to be our Jubilean Jerick Matthew. Can we have it for Jerick, please? The all-rounder. தம்பி விஜய் fan னு நினைக்கிறேன். Jubilean Jerick Matthew is receiving his honor from the honorary. Next on stage is going to be our Smart Sarvini. Our Smart Sarvini is walking towards our principal ma'am to receive her honors. What a cute walk! I request the parents who are standing near the corridor, please take your seats. Crowd in charge teachers, please come to the ground. Crowd in charge teachers. Next on stage is going to be our talented Tanmati. Our talented Tanmati is here. To receive her honors from the honorary. Next on stage is going to be our Yawning Yashmita. Put your hands together for our Yash. Our Yawning Yashmita is receiving her honor from the honorary. Parents, put your hands together for Yash. Energy irukka கம்மியாயிட்டே போகுது. எனக்கு வந்து எனர்ஜி இருக்கணும்னா நீங்களும் எனர்ஜிட்டிக்கா இருக்கணும். Come on, parents.
அழகின்றி வரவேண்டும் என் தீவா
each one of us. Next on stage is going to be our Shining Sai Abhinav. Next on stage is going to be our Shining Sai Abhinav. The cutie pie of UKGP. Our Shining Sai Abhinav is receiving his honor from the honorary person. Next on stage is going to be our soft-spoken Subikshan. Here comes our soft-spoken Subikshan to receive his honor from the honorary. Put your hands together for Subikshan, please. Here is our soft-spoken Subikshan giving us conversation from our Madam Principal.
The draw.
Next on stage is going to be our rocking Ridhanya. Here comes our rock star, rocking Ridhanya. The Barbie doll of UKGP. Congratulations, Ridhanya. Put your hands together for Ridhanya, please. Our rocking Ridhanya is receiving her honors. Next on stage is going to be our lovable Litesh. Here comes our lovable Litesh, proudly marching towards our principal ma'am. Put your hands together for our lovable Litesh. It's a proud moment for each of us. The hard work of the class teacher is seen here. Can we have it for Sona ma'am, please? Next on stage is going to be our smart Sri Charan. Our smart Sri Charan is going to do his graduation march towards our principal ma'am to receive his honor. The all-rounder. Sri Charan is receiving his honor from the honorary. Put your hands together for Sri Charan. Next on stage is going to be our sparkling Shivaditi. Our sparkling Shivaditi is here to receive her honors from the honorary. குழந்தைங்க வந்து நின்னாலே அழகுங்க. அதுக்காகவே நம்ம கிளாப் பண்ணலாம். Come on parents.
கொஞ்சம் மைனக்களே கொஞ்சம் மைனக்களே என் குறுக்கிட்டு ஒன்று கூடுங்கள் கொஞ்சம் மைனக்களே கொஞ்சம் மைனக்களே என் குறுக்கிட்டு ஒன்று கூடுங்கள்
together for Shivaditi.
அழகின்றி வர வேண்டும் என் தீபாவளி பண்டிகை.
Next on stage is going to be our tireless Tarunaditya. Next on stage is going to be our tireless Tarunaditya.
It's the rise of the dragon.
Tireless Tarunaditya. Next on stage is going to be our harmonious
எல்லாமே
chemistry.
வா எல்லாருமே வா
Here comes our harmonious chemistry to receive her convocation certificate from our principal ma'am. I request all the parents to kindly take your seats, please, to ensure the smooth flow of the function. Thank you, parents. So we are hiding the parents those who are sitting behind. If you stand at the front, the parents who are sitting at the back can't see you. Please, parents, please understand. Next on stage. Next on stage is going to be our thoughtful Tejashree. Our thoughtful Tejashree is here to receive her honor. Put your hands together for Teja, please.
கொஞ்சம் மைனக்களே கொஞ்சம் மைனக்களே என் குறுக்கிட்டு ஒன்று கூடுங்கள்
நான் ஃபுல் வீடியோ கவர் பண்றேன்
கொஞ்சம் மைனக்களே கொஞ்சம் மைனக்களே என் குறுக்கிட்டு ஒன்று கூடுங்கள் அழகின்றி வர வேண்டும் என் தீபாவளி பண்டிகை இன்றே வர வேண்டும் என் தீபாவளி பண்டிகை நாளை.
Next on stage is going to be our ambitious Adikesavan. Ambitious Adikesavan. என்றாக முதல் தலைவர் பாடலைன்றாரு. Come on, parents, dance together. Put your hands together for our ambitious Adikesavan. Next on stage is going to be our scintillating Sai Charan. Here comes our scintillating Sai Charan to receive his honor from the honorary. இவரை scintillating Sai Charan னு சொல்லலாமா இல்ல சேட்ட Sai Charan னு சொல்லலாமா? ரெண்டுத்துக்குமே ரப்ளிக பண்றாங்க. Proud moment for his mother. Photographer தள்ளி விட்டுட்டு வந்து photo எடுக்கணும். stage is going to be our Callan Gautam Krishna. Here comes our Callan Gautam Krishna to receive his honors from the honorary. Put your hands together for our Gautam Krishna. தலைவர் லேட்டா வந்தாலும் எப்பயும் லேட்டஸ்டா தான் வரும். Put your hands together for Gautam Krishna. Next on stage is going to be our magnanimous Mayank Patel. Here comes our magnanimous Mayank Patel. Put your hands together for Mayank, please. நான் சொல்லவே மாட்டேன் தலைவர் பாட்டு வந்துச்சுன்னா நீங்களே Here comes our Mayank Patel to receive his honor from the honorary. Congratulations, Mayank Patel. Have it for Mayank, please. You give me the நிறைய பாட்டு Mayank. Thank you. Next on stage is going to be our humble Hemant. He is indeed a very humble boy. Next on stage is going to be our humble Hemant to receive the convocation certificate from our honorable principal ma'am. Put your hands together for Hemant, please. Next on stage is going to be our sizzling Sarah. Can we have it for Sarah, please? Here comes our sizzling Sarah to receive her honor from the honorary. Our cute little pie, sizzling Sarah, is here. Heroine of UKGP.
அகநக அகநக முகநக முகநக முகநக
Sizzling Sarah. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for Sarah, please.
தருநக தருநக வருணனையே யாரது யாரது புன்னகையே.
Next on stage is going to be our charming Chitesh. Here comes our charming Chitesh to receive his honor from the honorary principal ma'am. Put your hands together for Chitesh, please. Can I have it for Chitesh? solemnly pledge to show my respect by listening to my parents, teachers, and elders. I promise to be helpful. I shall obey the rule in my class and in our school. I will give my best in whatever I do. Order. I request the UKGC teacher to be ready with your children. Here is the group photo session. Now I call upon our honorable dignitaries to join the group photo session. Of teaching experience. She is known for her gentle smile, soft-spoken skills, and classroom management. Let's put our hands together to welcome the UKGC graduates on the red carpet. The walk not only shows their proud faces, it denotes the gratitude the children are expressing to their parents and teachers. What a proud match! The happy faces of UKGC. It is a great pleasure for me to witness my cuties walking on the red carpet. It is indeed a proud moment for each one of us. I request all the parents to kindly take your seats. Parents, those who are standing near the corridor, I request all the parents to please take your seats. Dispersal will be done only after the convocation ceremony. Parents, please understand the difficulty. இன்னும் கொஞ்ச நேரம் தான். The hard work of the teachers are seen here. The 3 years of hard work, the 2 years of hard work is seen on the stage today. Parents ஆன உங்களுக்கு இது எவ்வளவு proud moment தெரியல. As a teacher இது எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப proud momentங்க. Seriously, I mean it. Here comes our honest Harish, proudly marching towards our principal ma'am to receive the honors. Can we have it for Harish, please? Put your hands together for Harish. receive her honor from the honorary. Child of UKGC. Well behaved child. Congratulations, Kavya.
எல்லாருமே photo and video ரெண்டு பேரும் எல்லாருமே எடுங்கடா. புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? எல்லாருமே எடுங்க. நீ select பண்ணிக்கோ. இது ஏன் phone இல்ல? வாங்க விடாம. அம்சிக்கலாம், நம்ம வாங்கி அம்சிக்கலாம்.
Next on stage is going to be our magnificent Mugendra. Here comes our magnificent Mugendra to receive his honors from our principal ma'am. Can we hear it for Mugen, please? Mugendra parents, come on, cheer him.
ஐயோ, பாய் கட்டறானே.
For each one of us. Next on stage is going to be our noble Nihal Lake. Next on stage is our noble Nihal Lake. He definitely deserves a big round of applause because he doesn't know our language. ஒரு வார்த்தை கூட குழந்தைக்கு தமிழ்ல தெரியாது. Still he managed 2 years here and he is here standing so proud in front of you all. Put your hands together for Nihal. He's an excellent child. He definitely deserves a big round of applause. A soft-spoken boy. Next on stage is going to be our remarkable Rakshita. Here comes our remarkable Rakshita of UKG C section to receive her honor from the honorary. Remarkable Rakshita. எதுக்கு அந்த பேருன்னு சொல்றேன்? டீச்சர் இல்லைன்னா ஒரு கிளாஸையே அவங்க ஹேண்டில் பண்ணிடுவாங்க. அந்த அளவுக்கு இருப்பாங்க அவங்க. அசிஸ்டன்ட் கிளாஸ் டீச்சர்னு கூட சொல்லலாம் ரக்ஷிதாவை. Put your hands together for Rakshita, please. Next on stage is going to be our soft-spoken Someshwaran. Here comes our soft-spoken Someshwaran. I still remember the day one of Somi coming to school. He came to us even without knowing how to hold a pencil. But now, Satya ma'am says that he is the first person to complete all his works. Whatever writing work is given, he is the first person to complete. We indeed feel so proud. Put your hands together for Someshwaran. என்னடா மேம் யூகேஜி சீக்கு மட்டும் சொல்றாங்கன்னு நினைக்காதீங்க. லாஸ்ட் இயர் என்னோட செட்டுங்க அவங்க யூகேஜி, அதனால எனக்கு தெரியும் டே ஒன். Put your hands together for Somi. Next on stage is going to be our harmonious happy, happening Hemashri. Put your hands together for our happy Hemashri. Hemashri வந்து என்ன சொல்றதுன்னா ஒரு டீச்சருக்கு எவ்வளவு மூளை இருக்குமோ அதுக்கு ஈக்குவலண்டான மூளை இருக்கும். கற்பூரம் மாதிரி. She grabs all the concepts so well. ஒரு திருப்பாவை சொல்லிக் கொடுக்கணும்னா அவங்க அம்மா ஓவர் நைட்ல சொல்லிக் கொடுத்து அனுப்பிடுவாங்க. ஒரு பாசுரம் எனக்கே வாயில நுழையாது. But I should really thank her mother. Put your hands together for Hemashri. Next on stage is going to be our kinetic Krishnamitran. Here comes our kinetic Krishnamitran. இவரை மாதிரி டான்ஸ் ஆட முடியாதுங்க. என்ன எனர்ஜி. நடுராத்திரியில எழுப்பி பாட்டு போட்டுட்டா கூட குதிச்சுக்கிட்டே இருப்பாரு. அந்த அளவுக்கு டான்ஸ்லயும் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட், குதிக்கிறதுலயும் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட். He is indeed a great dancer. Put your hands together for our Krishnamitran. Next on stage is going to be our vibrant Varshita Shri. Here comes the vibrant Varshita Shri, the cutie pie of UKG C section. ஆட பார்த்து இடம் போடுறாதீங்க. பேச்சு நெருங்க வருவாங்க மேடம். அவங்க கேட்கிற கேள்விக்கெல்லாம் நம்மள்கிட்ட ஆன்சர்ஸே இருக்காதுங்க. அந்த மாதிரி கேட்பாங்க. Put your hands together for Varshita Shri, please. Next on stage is going to be our radiant Rishan Srinivas. Here comes our radiant Rishan Srinivas. Parents, can we have for Rishan, please? தெரியும் வெயில் அடிக்குது, எனர்ஜி கம்மியா இருக்கும். என் நிலைமையை யோசிச்சு பாருங்க please. Put your hands together for Rishan. He is so responsible. Next on stage is going to be our lovable Lavya Singh. Next on stage is going to be our lovable Lavya Singh to receive her honor from the honorary. Again, I should tell about this girl. She came here for UKG. Even she is a North Indian, she doesn't even know a single word in Tamil. I think it is the hard work of the class teacher and with the support of the parents. She is here. She is able to write Tamil, read Tamil, and she is able to survive. See the Mahimai of GPS. Can I have a great round of applause for Lavya Singh, please? தமிழ் தெரியாம தமிழ்நாட்டுல sustain பண்றது ரொம்ப கஷ்டங்க. Next on stage is going to be from our principal ma'am. Put your hands together for Amis. Amis பாவங்க, அவங்க அக்கா ஒரு 2 minutes late வந்தா மிஸ் போட்டு முடுக்கி எடுத்துருவாங்க. Cute little boy of UKG C section. from the honorary principal ma'am. Put your hands together for Tanmay Parekh. ஒரு தன்மைக்கு எங்கேருந்துலாம் அவ்வளோ எனர்ஜி இருக்கோ தெரியலங்க. Next on stage is going to be our Chassis Jitwin. Here comes our Chassis Jitwin to receive his honor from our beloved principal ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, can we hear it for Jitwin, please? Next on stage is going to be our mesmerizing Mahita Shri. Here comes our mesmerizing Mahita Shri to receive her honor from the honorary. Can we have it for Mahita, please? Ladies and gentlemen, can we have it for Mahita Shri? No reaction from parents. Next on stage is going to be our yielding Yakshita Shri. Here comes our yielding Yakshita Shri to receive her honors from the honorary principal ma'am. Can we have it for Yakshita, please? நம்ம குழந்தைக்கு மட்டும் தான் கை தட்டணும் இல்ல parents. எல்லாருக்குமே தட்டலாம். நாங்க எல்லா குழந்தையும் எங்க குழந்தைய தானே நினைக்கிறோம். அதே மாதிரி நீங்களும் நினைக்கலாம். Put your hands together for Yakshita Shri. Next on stage is going to be our soft-spoken Santosh. Here comes our soft-spoken Santosh to receive the honor from our beloved principal ma'am. Class teacher oda hard work illama idu possible illanga. So kandipa we should have a great round of applause for Satya Sati ma'am. Can we have it for Santosh, please? Next on stage is going to be our optimistic Ovia Shri. Here on stage is our optimistic Ovia Shri to receive the honor from the honorary principal ma'am. நீங்க எல்லாரும் clap பண்ணீங்கன்னா டக்கு டக்குன்னு முடிச்சிடுவேன். இல்லைன்னா time எடுத்துட்டே போவேன். அப்புறம் உங்க இஷ்டம். எனக்கு எனர்ஜி குறைஞ்சிருச்சுன்னா நானும் ஸ்லோ டவுன் ஆயிடுவேன். தேங்க்யூ பாரு. our Nifty Nandini. Here comes our Nifty Nandini to receive her convocation certificate from our beloved principal ma'am. Put your hands together for Nandini, please. சொன்னது ஞாபகம் இருக்கட்டும் parents. கை தட்டினா சீக்கிரம் வீட்டுக்கு போகலாம். என்னென்ன சொல்ல வேண்டியிருக்கு பாருங்க.
bro.
Here is our Nandini receiving her honor from the principal ma'am. Next on stage is going to be our reliable Rakshan. Here comes our reliable Rakshan marching proudly towards our principal ma'am to receive the honors. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have it for Rakshan. Next on stage is going to be our respectful Riyashri. Here comes our respectful Riyashri marching towards our principal ma'am to receive her honors. Put your hands together for Riyashri. Many congratulations to the little graduates. Put your hands together for Riyashri. Next on stage is going to be our talented Tiyash. Here comes our talented Tiyash to receive the honor from the honorary principal ma'am. This boy is indeed a talented boy. Give him a page of speech, he will finish it off overnight. Give him a book, he may finish it in a month. Put your hands together for Tiyash. Next on stage is going to be our dazzling Darshan. Next on stage is going to be our dazzling Darshan to receive the honor from the honorary principal ma'am. Many congratulations to Darshan. Next on stage is going to be our ravishing Ritvik. Here comes our ravishing Ritvik marching towards our principal ma'am to receive the honors. Put your hands together for Ritvik. Into 4 பேர் தான். இன்னும் 3 பேர் தான். உங்க மைண்ட் வாய்ஸ் எல்லாமே எனக்கு கேக்குது. 3 பேர் தான். Put your hands together parents for Ritvik. stage is going to be our magical Mahilini. Here comes our magical Mahilini, the cute little dancer of UKGC. Our magical Mahilini is here receiving her honor from the honorary principal ma'am. Put your hands together for Mahilini. Next on stage is going to be our affable Aisha Mariam. Here comes our affable Aisha Mariam to receive the honor from our honorable principal ma'am. Put your hands together for Aisha Mariam. Congratulations, Aisha. வந்துடுச்சு. நீங்க எல்லாரும் எதிர்பார்த்த மொமெண்ட் வந்துடுச்சு. லாஸ்ட் பட் நாட் தி லீஸ்ட், here comes our incredible Iron Anto. Put your hands together.